Hey everybody, it's Scott from National Cycle. Today we're back in the studio. We'll be installing a new VStream windshield on this Honda NC750X. Great upgrade to have, going to give you really good looks, great performance going down the road, and all you need is a 5mm Allen wrench to get the whole thing done for you. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, all you can do to get started is you just need your 5mm Allen wrench. Just remove the 4 mounting bolts. You will reuse them, so make sure you keep those in handy. And there's some set of washers behind there, so you want to make sure you keep those in there as well. Just a quick tip before you actually go in and install the new windshield. You want to make sure that these wheel nuts here, all 4 positions, are in the highest point possible inside the bracket. If they're loose or they come down, the windshield may not line up properly and may not tighten down properly. Alright, so we're going to install our new windshield here. This is going to be our dark tint sports screen. So all you got to do is just go ahead and line it up on the wheel nuts that are in the bracket. We're kind of leave them loose when you first get started to make sure you need to make any adjustments. Then go ahead and start it up again with the 5mm Allen. And you're all done. All right, and there you have it, all set and done. Very simple upgrade, and give you great performance as well as good looks. This is just going to be one of 3 sizes that we're going to have available for your NC750X. So check this out on our website, and check out all of our products on our website at nationalcycle.com. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy your ride.